would have thought that by simply cutting and pasting photos, you could generate income each month? Well, today, you're in for a treat, because in this video I'll show you how it's done in just a few easy steps. And with these websites I am going to show you, it will be a fantastic chance for anybody who is interested in making some more money online. Moreover, it is accessible worldwide, which is a huge plus. So I encourage you to follow along till the end, and let's start earning this big amount of cash.
Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video.
Now, the first thing you should do is go online and check out this website, freeimages.com. Through the use of the Free Images website, users can search for and download free photographs that are in the public domain. We are not going to upload any photographs to this website at this time. Instead, we are going to download them and use them in ways that will allow us to generate a significant amount of money using these photographs. I'll show you in a moment how these people made over $100,000 using photographs like this one, which you can readily acquire online from sources like freeimages.com, and you are free to use them to make money in the same way that they did. I'm going to show you how to create another example like this one utilizing freeimages.com by using just these 4 simple photos as an example. These individuals have already made more than $160,000, while here they have made more than $1 million with these photographs. They simply comprise clear, non-hazy photos, but they have yet to manage to create some fairly significant earnings despite their simplicity. The download shouldn't take more than a few minutes on your end. Let's proceed now to the second step in our process. Visit freeimages.com once more and scroll down to view all the public domain pictures we want to sell on this site. These data illustrate that because these photos are freely available, we can utilize them on an infinite number of sites without providing credit to the source or even registering on their website. If you want to use these photographs to generate money using this example, right-click on them and then open a number of them in your web browser using new tabs. The fact that abstract art can be saved motivates us to collect examples of it in digital form. Therefore, feel free to search for abstract art using this very box that you are looking at right now. These search results show that there are thousands of photographs that contain highly interesting abstract art. We can tell this by looking at the images. The images that we just selected will be downloaded to our computers to begin the process of commercializing them. Therefore, after capturing a number of these photographs for this illustration, I will make use of the image that is presented here. You can see that the original dimensions of this picture are 2048 pixels wide by 1536 pixels tall, which is perfect for the procedure that we have planned. I'm just going to go ahead and click the button that says Download and then select Save from the drop-down menu. I would want you to select photographs that have a large file size because the results of using this method with images that are of a smaller file size will not be satisfying. Therefore, now that you have the image that you are going to use for this strategy, the third step is to locate a free editor that you can use online to improve the image so that it will receive a greater number of hits. But before we get into that, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see more of the easiest ways to earn money online. Now, let's go back. Now for the third step, return to Google and search for free online picture editors to complete this task. As you can see, there are a lot of different editors out there that give you the option to apply filters to the pictures you edit. Let's have a look at the website photofilters.com as an example. Photofilters.com is a free online application that, as the name suggests, allows you to apply a range of stunning filters and effects to your photos and images. You may use the application through the web. To put it simply, it may be used to improve the quality of any image by applying effects such as cropping, resizing, exposure, blurring, sharpening, RGB curves, and much more. After uploading our photo to this website, we click the option that says Filters and then choose any of these filters to check and see if any of them will make our images look better. Let's click on the box that reads filters, and then I will choose autocorrect from the drop-down menu since I believe that will make my photo look much more interesting. Next, navigate to the file menu by clicking on it, and then upload the picture that we got from freeimages.com just now. You should feel free to experiment with any of these filters whenever you have the time, and you should work to improve your images in advance. Now that your images have been edited, I will demonstrate how you can make money off of them. Now that we have established that, let's move on to the fourth step of this process to start making money. The website Etsy.com should be our next step, a website where users may view a wide variety of things, sold by a variety of sellers, and created by a variety of individuals from all over the world. If this is the first time you have heard of Etsy, let me promise you that your love for it will only grow from here on out. Etsy is a website that has been around for some time and is actually one of the largest global markets that can be found online. It is a place where individuals can come together to buy and acquire unique products. Every single year, this website is responsible for the sale of millions of different items. As an example, I'm about to let you in on a little secret, and once you do, you'll see that there are many more things out there for people to know about. You can see that people are selling photographs here that are similar to the ones that we just obtained from freeimages.com. Additionally, based on the reviews, you can discover how many of these things have already been purchased by other customers. There are more than 14 million results when we narrow our focus to art and collectibles. Before we continue, leave a comment below on what you think about this method we have for you today. If you've got any questions, we would also be glad to help. Back to the video. You have the option of shopping according to your interests, or you may come here to look for anything that piques your interest. The following is what we are going to do on Etsy.com to make the most of the photographs that we obtained by downloading them from freeimages.com. You may remember that while we were looking for images on freeimages.com, we searched for abstract art. And I even showed you where to look for such images. It has been suggested that pictures of this nature truly enjoy a lot of popularity. If you conduct a search on Etsy for the term abstract art, you will see that there are more than 2 million results. If there were a significant number of these images being offered at that location, the very first thing you should do is look to see if there are any positive reviews available for products of this kind and category. If you want to make money with this, it is encouraging to see that people are genuinely rating them with 5 stars, as can be seen right away. Keep in mind that not everyone who buys an item will often write a review. Thus, the actual number of customers could very well be far greater than these data indicate. Many of them have been given positive feedback by customers who have made purchases from them. These customers have provided a significant number of testimonials. Let's take a look at this item here, which is now going for approximately $10.67 as an example. They have now sold more than 32,000 products, and when we multiply that amount by 10.67, we get a total of almost $341,440. As can be seen, they did nothing more than create these photographs and then make them downloadable to the public. Because these pictures are so easy to create, preparing them and uploading them to Etsy will not take you even a single hour of your time. This is a fairly straightforward but endearingly cute design. Once a buyer has purchased your digital goods, there is no longer any need for the physical product. It can be downloaded right now if you choose to do so. Well, there you have it. Let's go over the 3 stages necessary to make money online again, shall we? Find a photograph that you want to utilize as the first step in this process. The second step is to use the copy feature on your computer or smartphone to make a copy of the photograph. The third step is to then paste the photograph onto the website to finish the upload procedure, and then the website will compensate you financially for the use of the photos. It can be summed up in such a straightforward manner. You are free to repeat this process an unlimited number of times. You will be able to generate more money by adhering to these 3 easy steps the more images you post to your account. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.